Hey guys, so my hair is up. Today we are doing some skincare. I was sent this from Comper. It is the Smarkin. Oh, I thought I hemmed and hawed about doing this because I did just do a video on a product I received for free. However, this is totally different than that. So this product is said to improve wrinkles, tighten skin, and renew radiance of user's face. So my Botox I normally get has worn off in my forehead, so I have full movement and stuff. And there is some very fine lines. I know it's really hard for you guys to see on the camera here. And then I have, of course, the line here. If you're familiar with my channel, you know about that line here. I've wanted to get rid of it, but I don't want to get filler in it. So I wanted to take them up on this offer. I think this is interesting. I've never really dealt with products like this. So when you open your box, I've taken the cord out because I wanted to make sure it worked. But when you open your box, it's like this. The cord comes here. The Smarkin is here. And they give you a little pamphlet that I read up on before usage. And a little like travel bag. I'm gonna be showing an initial usage because I'm totally new to this. I'm not a professional when it comes to skincare. I took some aesthetics classes and yeah, I'm not a professional. Also, they did send this over. This is the Comper Hyaluronic Acid Essence. It comes in this little box, and this is said to improve skin texture and brightness with intense moisture and balance. I love hyaluronic acid. I think it'll be very interesting to see if this is sufficient when it comes to my lines and things like that. So yeah, and this is good on age spots as well too, or sunspots, and I do have one right here, so that'll be really interesting to see if that is affected at all by this. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead here and I am going to do a little trial for you guys. Take my earrings out. That's what they request you do, take your jewelry off. This is the cord that I took out to test. So yeah, if this is able to tighten skin and things like that, it's significantly better than getting Botox every couple months. So this will be really interesting, and I hope you guys are interested in seeing this as well too. When they reached out to me, I was like I said, I hemmed and hawed on it for a bit, but seeing what the claims were and things like that, I thought that I could really give it a go and let you guys know how I enjoyed it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I am going to be back to see you guys on this in 3 weeks, 21 days. So, well, 3 weeks / 21 days. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. I'm going to put on the Comper Hyaluronic Acid Essence. I'm going to put that on top of the Smarkin, right in the center here. Okay. They want you to take off your jewelry and stuff like that, so I've just gone ahead and done that. Alrighty, so I did attempt to download the app, but it did not send me a code. So I'm going to attempt to do that a bit later. Start on my forehead. Or no, actually, where do they have? Okay. Okay, I'm going to start here. This is very interesting. It's a little warm. I've never really used a device like this, so this is all new to me. Add some more of the essence and move on to the other side of my face. They say you can use another hyaluronic product or anything. You don't have to use theirs, but of course it's recommended. If you're familiar with my channel, you know I have this one line right here that I really want to get rid of, but I don't want to get filler there.
Okay.
I'm gonna do my forehead. I have it on the highest setting. I always kind of go big or go home. See what they say about the forehead. Okay. How long should you go for? Okay, so we'll stop working as the predefined treatment session being done or time being up. Okay. And they have different functions. They have an LED and EMS function. This is very foreign to me. I just want to know if it works. Was that it? Oh my god, that fucking scared me. Holy jeez. Is it supposed to be like jumpy like that? I don't know. Regardless. Okay, that's my first experience with this. And I'm gonna go ahead and try it again and be back to show you guys about it in 3 weeks. Very interesting. We'll see. We'll see if it does anything to my face. I'm very curious. Thanks for watching. Bye.